Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been wanting to do a video so bad, but I've been so busy and not been feeling good lately these days, and a lot of things happened. I just gotta tell you guys everything that happened. But now that I'm doing a fall video like eye tutorial, I've been wanting to do that. I know you guys have been asking me to do that, but I was just like, I need like a perfect palette, and I have one and I want to show you guys which palette it is. So if you guys are ready for this tutorial, let's just go ahead and get started. First of all, I just want to say I am so annoyed lately because my eyes have been creasing a lot, like more than normal, and I'm so annoyed because I'm like, why does it keep doing that? But then I also keep rubbing my eye like that, so I don't know if that's because I'm rubbing my eye too much, so I feel like that is what's giving me like really fine lines, so I'm gonna try to stop doing that. So anyways, the palette that I'm going to be using today to create this fall look, it is going to be the new Kat Von D Lolita por Vida palette. And let me just show you guys real quick why I want to use it. Like, look at that palette. It's just look so beautiful. I know you guys can't really see it, but it is such a beautiful fall vibe palette. And this glitter, this is like a glitter one. I think it's available already, and it is obviously cruelty free and vegan for those who are interested. And I want to play with all of these right here. I want to just do like a very warm toned eye look for you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. So let me just go ahead and just do this eye makeup, and I'll let you guys know what happened to me on the weekend, because I can't even believe it happened to me. It was so crazy, guys. Like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys might already know, and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there, because I post on my stories a lot. I'm still trying to figure out how to post stories on YouTube. I don't know, I can't figure that out yet. Anyways, I'm such a loser. I'm gonna go ahead and get my La Lupe, which is this one right here, using that, and I'm gonna press that to my outer crease, and I'm just gonna do one eye on camera and I'll do the other eye off camera. So we're just gonna go ahead and press that and then slowly blend. When I got this palette, I thought it was like this so pretty, like it looks way better in person than any palette looks on camera. It just looks way better. So I really liked it. I'm like, I really want to do a fall look using this, and I want to do it on camera for you guys. So that is what I'm doing. So far, I'm just going to go ahead and pat that. And it's going to be super easy look. And then I'm going to go ahead and get La Lupe again, the same one that I used on my lid. And we're going to go ahead and bring it down right under my eye and just kind of connecting them together. For this time, we're going to bring it all the way in. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get a fluffy brush. This is a Kaleidos brush that they sent me, and we're gonna go ahead and get some Sylvia, which is this one, which is like a nude one, and we're gonna go ahead and just kind of buff that out so it doesn't look too harsh. We're just gonna go ahead and blend it all out. Next, I am gonna go ahead and get like a buffer brush, which is like kind of like a pencil buffer brush. And we're gonna go in with Juanita, which is this dark brown, and we're gonna go ahead and add that to the outer corner, and we're just gonna deepen that outer corner with that. We're also gonna bring it down to my waterline and make it a bit more smokier. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get La Lupe again, this one right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend, which was Juanita, which is a dark brown, and we're just gonna blend it all out. It'll look nicer if it's just all blended out. So now that we blended out Juanita and La Lupe together, we're gonna go ahead and get like a flat brush, and we're gonna be adding Dulce Sueños, which is this shimmer orange one right here. We're gonna add that. Oh my god, I barely touched it. And we're gonna kind of add that to the lid, and I don't even see, but it's like kind of like creamy. Like, I'm pressing on it, looks a little creamy. It might work better with the finger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it on the lid. Let me just try my finger, because I feel like the brush helps, but it's not like enough for me. So we're gonna go ahead and add it with my finger. I just rubbed it like this, and we're gonna apply it. And I feel like it looks way better with the finger. So we're gonna go ahead and just tap that in there. Wow, this is really pretty, and it's such an easy look to do, guys. It is so stunning. But I do want to use that glitter, so I am going to add that glitter on my lid. So we're gonna go ahead. I don't know if no, I'm gonna try with this brush. So we're gonna go ahead and get Reina, which is a glitter pigment that we have going on here. We're gonna use a brush to just get a little bit of that glitter and then apply it on the lid. Ooh, this is really, really, really pretty. Look at that, guys. Do you see how stunning that looks? Wow. Wait, I'm gonna add more. This is so pretty, guys. Look at that. Wow. That is just me applying it with the brush. I don't even add no. Wow, guys. That is really pretty. Okay, so this eye look is so stunning. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend a little bit of La Lupe on right here in my outer corner, just to kind of blend it out so it doesn't look too harsh. We're gonna just kind of give it a little bit more shadow to my inner corner. But isn't that so pretty, guys? That is so pretty. Oh god. Okay, you know what, since I kind of want this to stand out, I am gonna add a little bit of Juanita to the inner corner, just to kind of deepen it right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and just blend it out a bit with La Lupe, just so it doesn't look too harsh. But that is so pretty, guys. I am like a little shook. I'm gonna go ahead and put like a wing liner really quick. I'm gonna be adding the House Lavatories wing liner. So we're gonna go ahead and add this and create a wing. And what I really like about this eyeliner is that it goes perfectly over the glitter. Like, it doesn't get ugly. And I really like that. It's just so pretty. That is some nice shadow. Now that I put my eyeliner on, I'm gonna go in with Preciosa, which is this little kind of gold shimmer. You guys can't see because my lighting sucks. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to my brow bone. Just look at that like shimmer. That is so pretty. This palette is really pigmented, so I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it out here so it doesn't look too harsh, because I feel like it looked a little harsh right here. So I ended up doing both of my eyes, the other eye, I'm sorry, off camera, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put mascara and lashes for you guys. But let me go ahead and tell you guys what happened to me in the weekend. So I'm just gonna be using my snappity crackle pop. Go ahead now and use the Milk Makeup Kush mascara like I always do. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. So on the weekend, I was invited to my nephew's little birthday party, and I live in California, so it was in Pomona. So I just went on and I did that, right? And I was already on my way back home from the party, and I went with my mom and my brother, right? So I was listening to music. I was actually listening to Rebelde. So if you guys don't know, Rebelde was like a novela, like a Spanish novela. And I was listening to that, and I was like singing and all that stuff, and it was really fun and nice. And I was basically on the 71 going to the 10 West, and I was already kind of merging to the 10 West. And then in front, since it was already kind of like, it was like 9 o'clock, there wasn't a lot of cars there, and I was basically like the only one in the lane. And like, no, there was nobody like in front of me. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just drive like I always do. And all of a sudden I see a motorcycle kind of go fast, but it happened so fast. Let me tell you guys, it happened so fast. So it was like he was passing me, but once he passed like the passenger seat of my car, his motorcycle hit the wall. You know, when they do construction on the freeway, they always put like those little white brick looking walls, not brick, but you know, those white walls. Well, he hit that, like the motorcycle hit that, and all I see was him flying off, like literally on the air, and his body kept hitting that like wall that was there, and the motorcycle just flew out, and it went like all the way to like the freeway entrance to like the first lane. Like, it was crazy, guys. Like, this guy could have hit my car. When the motorcycle hit, it could have bounced back and hit my car, and it was crazy. So I ended up doing my eyes off camera, but now back to the story. Just in case you guys want to know, I just used the Milk Kush mascara under, and then I went on with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Side waterproof gel liner, the black one, and I just add that on. So basically my eyes looks already finished. Super easy eye look for you guys. So back to the story. So when the guy flew off, I was really scared because when he flew off, like, I saw his body was like, looked like it was getting destroyed to me. Like, he looked like a doll. And when he landed on the floor, he landed like right in front of me. So basically, if I would have gone, I would have run him over, and I was like so scared. I did not want that to happen. So I started slowing down little by little, and since there was obviously cars behind me, they saw it too, and that's when we all kind of stopped. I stopped the freeway. Basically, I was like the first one that stopped, and I stopped the freeway, and my body was literally shaking, and I called 911 and I got him help. But it was crazy because, like, when my mom opened her door, he was maybe like 15 steps away from us. Like, it was really close by. Like, and then the people from the ambulance and like the cops were basically telling me like to tell them how he looked and everything, and not to touch him, and I did not touch him. So whenever you guys find someone like hurt and stuff, like, just better for you not to touch them, because, you know, it's important for the people to know how everything happened and how he landed, because they just want to know how his body is in the position that it landed like that, you know. So just don't touch him. But it was crazy. I can't believe it even happened to me. I was literally so scared. Like, and he wasn't even conscious. Like, his eyes were closed. Like, he was just doing like really heavy breathing, and it sucks because, you know, when these things happen, you want to know exactly when it ended up happening to the guy, but you don't know. Like, you won't really know exactly what happens, especially because you're not a family member. Like, they're not going to tell you, you know. But it's just crazy because you end up leaving with that mind of like what happened to the guy, you know, because it's crazy. You see that happen and you don't know how his body, he hit his head. He had a helmet, and that helmet flew off. Like, that, it's like he didn't even like strap it on. Like, it's just crazy. But he was going so fast. I was literally going maybe like 40-45 because I was going into the lane to get on the freeway, so I was gonna start slowly like getting faster. But he went flying by, and the lady that was behind me basically stood with me to kind of be like, I saw it, and she didn't hit him, or, you know, he was just going really fast. But it was crazy, and it's crazy to see that happening to a human being. And like, it just makes you seem like, wow, we're so, like, things can happen from like 0 to 100 really quick, and you never know. Like, I'm just hoping he is okay and nothing really, really bad happened to him. But honestly, from what I saw, like he was bad. Like, it was so bad, guys. I don't even know. I just can't believe that happened to me, you know. Well, to him, but like to me, like seeing that happening, it was just crazy. So yeah, guys, that was some crazy stuff that happened to me, and I can't even believe that happened. So yeah, let's just move on with this tutorial. So I'm just gonna go in with the House Laboratory. This is in the shade Rule. This is their RIP lip liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my favorite fall combo that I have been loving lately. So I'm gonna go in with this and just line my lips. Next, I am gonna go in with my Melt Cosmetics. This is in the shade Mural. I love this. As you can tell, look, I'm almost done using it. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and set my face, and then go ahead and add some highlighter, which I'm gonna be using the Resi Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. We're gonna go in with some highlighter. I love this highlighter, guys, so much. I feel like I heard that it was gonna come back, but I wasn't sure. So if you guys know anything, let a girl know. But I heard it was gonna come back. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this highlighter. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this little easy fall vibes tutorial. I really wanted to just kind of sit down and talk to you guys. I haven't really been mentally okay. I've been in pain with my stomach problems that I've been having, and I am just happy that I'm able to sit down and talk to you guys. Trust me, I feel like I need to have like a sit down talk to you guys of how I've been feeling, but I don't know if that's something you guys are interested in. I don't know if that's something you guys want to be seeing me just sitting down talking to you guys. I don't know if you guys want like seeing me do makeup, but let me know down in the comments below what you guys want me to be doing. I'm of course gonna be doing more Halloween looks. I've been wanting to do that. I am gonna be doing that, so I think that my next one is going to be Harley Quinn. If you have not seen my Joker one, go ahead and check that one out. It's my previous video. I also did Poison Ivy, and I also did like a dead inside look. It was very glam on the eyes, but my face was just kind of like dead. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know my story was a little crazy, and I hope you guys really like this tutorial. I do feel a little off today, but we're just gonna keep pushing through it. Thank you guys so much for those who watch my videos, and if you comment down below and like my video, you guys give that video a thumbs up, it will show my video to other people. It will be recommended to other people. That would help my channel out a lot, you guys. You guys have no idea. If you guys have done that, you guys have no idea how much it has helped my channel out, and I am forever grateful. I love doing these videos for you guys. It's so much fun. And I'm so used to doing Instagram, but doing YouTube is like a whole nother thing, and I really do love it. And like the fact that I'm able to share to you guys a little bit more about me is just so much fun. Thank you guys again, and if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. I'm gonna continue posting like I always do. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I want you guys to be part of my little family. My family's small, and if you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me there. I always post on my Instagram, especially my Instagram stories, and on Twitter as well. I do some polls, and I just talk about life, you know. So thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys next time.